Create or upload your design. I'm using 2 Holly SVGs. See the description box for her Patreon link. Go to make it. Make sure mirror is turned on, and I chose foil iron-on setting with default pressure. Load your mat shiny side down. I cut this project on 2 different materials, and believe it or not, I cut the wrong side of my HTV. I was able to turn it right over and cut it like normal. I was so glad I didn't ruin it, so if this happens to you, don't worry, just flip it over and cut it on the right side. Unload the mat and weed the design. I started filming with Infusible Ink and switched to foil HTV. I'm weeding the Infusible Ink in this video. These mouse pads are polyester and made for sublimation, so the colors came out really vibrant, but I ruined it by trying to add my handle in the foil HTV. That's when I decided to start over with all foil HTV by Tech Wrap, which is linked below. I will share a side-by-side of both in my private group, so be sure to join me. Follow the instructions on the Easy Press guide for your materials. I pressed for 30 seconds at 315 degrees. I did not turn my mouse pad over and heat the other side because I was afraid it would melt the rubber. Make sure you're following the Easy Press guide. My materials required a warm peel. Slowly remove the backing so you can make sure no edges are lifting. If this happens, it's okay, just press again. If you have a mini easy press, you can put extra pressure on specific areas that are trying to lift up, but I didn't have any trouble. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It really is a simple iron-on project that any level Cricut crafter can enjoy. See the description box below for links to all the products used.